Nice job, guys.
You're doing the hard work.
Yeah.
I'm thinking a couple of 10 or so strokes of the oar, and then I can make myself a cup of tea and go by perpetual motion. So we'll be fine.
I thought you might have already made a cup of tea. Okay.
All right, go for it. That's where she's swum so far.
I think we're about a third of the way.
Yeah. Off she goes. We're heading over there. And then we're heading all the way over there. And this is my crewman. Timothy, say hello.
Hi.
He has other things on his mind, such as filming. So I'm doing all the hard work. Okay, let's go catch her up then, okay?
Okay.